Our program is designed to simulate the motion of the Earth around the Sun under varying conditions. We start with the Earth completing a circular orbit around the Sun, modeling the motion for 1 year. Our delta T is in the simulation is 86,400 seconds, or 1 day. This was an appropriate time step because it created a circular path but did not take too long to complete the calculations. If we were to use a larger time step, such as 20 times as long, it would create a non-circular orbit like this that is not as smooth and does not complete a full orbit. That went really fast. Okay.
By increasing the initial velocity of the Earth, we created an elliptical orbit that took longer to complete a step size that is too large, not create a smooth path. If the orbit was too severely altered, it would be significantly colder on Earth for a long period of time. Also, as you can see with the two vectors, forces and momentum are not constant. They're greatest when the Earth is closest to the Sun, and vice versa. The force and momentum are always perpendicular to each other.
In this simulation, we made the gravitational force proportional to 1 over r mag, as opposed to 1 over r mag squared. In order to maintain a stable orbit, we had to change the gravitational constant to be 1,000,000,000 times smaller than it actually is. If the gravitational constant is not adjusted, the Earth is sucked into the Sun. We also had to adjust the dt to create a smooth orbit. And this pattern just continues until until the Earth gets far enough away.
In this next part of the simulation, we gave the Earth half the mass of the Sun to create a binary star system. We also gave the Earth half of its initial velocity to create a stable orbit. We also increased the total time to show the path of both stars. And as you can see, the force vector gets very intense and large when the Earth and Sun binary star pattern gets close to each other right around here, and quickly shrinks as the Earth moves farther away from the Sun.
Again, we have a binary star system, but this time we gave the Sun an initial velocity as to have the total momentum of the system be 0. Again, we have a similar pattern, but giving the Sun an initial velocity alter the path of the two stars. And this pattern will continue, again with the same phenomena being exhibited in the force vector. And yeah, this pattern continues. And that's our final project. So thank you for listening. And thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the rest of our screencast. Pingus!